Hello world. I hope all of you are doing great today. And in today's video, I will continue where I left off in the last video. So let's get started. And before starting this video, I just want to mention that the SpocNet team has already granted me access to the website. So I can show you exactly, or I can show you and give you a clear view to the platform. So first of all, here is the sign-in page, and I prefer the dark mode. So before I continue, I just want to show you how to sign up. Since I am here, sign up. You can just submit your email address, your password, confirm your password, then create account. Easy. Create account. Make sure to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. The first page. As you can see here, we have I already have some notification here, and I can choose what type of notification if I have many notification here. So for example, social notification, reputation, commerce notification, the notification related to the products, sellings and buying, the data. You have your chat here. You can communicate with people, your friends or your partners. We have 19 categories here: books, text, education, motors, sports, gaming, home, safety, health, office, travel, kids, foods, where is it? Kitchen, furniture, wares, watches, crafts, pets, gifts. So all of these categories here are using one single form to submit a product listing, and there is only one form, which is the motors. It has its own form. So this one, it has its own form to submit your machine or your motor, your car or your trucks, anything you want to sell, your boat. Let's begin. Add new sport listings. We have contact information here. First of all, phone number, email, preferred contact username. Then you have product information. So those are your personal information. You have the product information, location, icon, image URL. The icon is the image that displays here in the main product. You will see it later. Icon, image URL, upload from device or enter a valid URL. The same thing, promotional images. You can upload one unique URL per line. Those two promotional images, they should be different. You have additional product data here. We have some explanation here. The first field requirement, field title, product name. The field title, product name, item name, product type, item type, product title, model. The field value. Provide a clear, concise description, maximum 28 characters. Example, wireless Bluetooth speaker. Important notice, the first field title must use one of the approved terms listed above to ensure product visibility. So make sure to follow this guideline here. The field title and the field value. Configure 4 to 25 custom fields. Notes, first field content is required for shipping documentation. Make sure the information is correct. So you can add fields 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you see? So you can, for example, say model. Then what model is? Is it true? Then, for example, the color. Let's say white. Let's say size, for example. Let's say 39, 40, 45, 40, 40, 41, 41, 43, 44, 45. Okay. Let's say product type, description. Let's say condition, for example. New. You can say new. we have the price. Set the price here. Enter the exact price. Commas are not allowed. USD is recommended. Then you can submit a discount here. And lastly, what should buyers know? Enhance your listing with a concise yet detailed product description. Did you see how much is easy? It's very easy. So let's fill those fields. We have the contact information. We have the phone number. Let's say this is my phone number, just for testing. It's not my phone number. This is not my phone number. Let's say an email address, preferred contact username. Let's say Steve. So they may contact you there or something. We have product information. We have a location. So make sure that your location address is correct, and to make sure that it is correct, you should, I will give you a trick. Just open the Google map on Google, then find your location, then copy paste here. So why? Because Google map has the correct data. Icon image URL, upload from the voice or enter a valid image URL. So you have the two choices here. Let's say we want to upload an image. You can upload from the device or enter a valid image URL. Let's upload from the device. Now the promotional images. You can also upload from the device. You can upload images directly from the device. Minimum 2 images, maximum 10 images. So in total, for the promotion images, you can submit 10 as max. URLs, please upload it, combine it. So what we are going to do here, I will just show you how we will upload an image. We will upload this image, then we will submit a link. I will submit this link. I hope it is acceptable, because I don't know if the SpocNet will accept this image from this source. So let's say this one. Okay, I don't know. So we have one image, two image on the promotional images. We have one image as image link, and we have one image as uploaded image. So minimum 2. We are correct here, and we have icon image URL. We will see later when you submit the product. We will see what if SpocNet accept this. So by the way, you can add another one. If you want to add another link, you can just jump into the next line, then submit another image, then jump in, then submit, then jump in, then submit. Just make sure you are within the max 10 images. If you put 5 images link, you should put here 5. So when combined, they became 10. Let's try to submit our first product. Submit. If an error occur, there is no error. Sport listing created successfully. Now, here is our product. Did you see? Here is our product. This is your user profile. This is your profile. So when I click on this, I will jump into your profile, which is your page or your company. When I click on this view user profile, we will jump to your page. In general, it is a page that represents your activity. If you are a BMW company or a Mercedes, or all your cars here, your products will be listed there. So here is how the product is listed. The images, your discount, users or customers can like. I can't like and favor the product because it's mine, but this is not mine. I can favor it and I can like it. You have your subscription here displayed, whether you are a standard subscription or premium. This is a premium subscription, and it is a verified company. You can share this product to Facebook, X, Twitter, WhatsApp, or Telegram, wherever you want to put to distribute your product. You have full detail. When you click on full detail, it will open the product page. So here is your price discounted. This is the field value, field title, and this is the field value, color, size. So users will click on more detail. They will see sport detail. This is the product we did submit. Did you see? This is the images. 1, 2. See the price, the discount. We have phone number, email address, preferred contact username, product detail, location, the model, the tag, item description. So since I am the owner of this product, I can edit my products. Now the form is toggled to the edit bar, edit your choose. You can edit your phone number, email, you can correct data if you did a mistake or something. You can save changes. Listing updating successfully. You can delete your product from here. You can mark as sold. It is sold now. That's it. This is how to list a product and how to edit a product as well. Mark as available if you still have many quantity from it. Next video we are going to show you the profile section, how to fill it, how to put your data, and after that we will show you the most important thing is how to generate a shipping label, and we will make it lively. So thank you very much for watching this video.